So what's up everybody, Arcas Vlogs 10 here, and right now as you can see I just washed my motorcycle and now she looks really mean. Also I just got it polished. As you can see, I love polishing the tires because after that it looks so mean and sexy, and I just love that. Just look at this beauty. You guys can see that she looks so mean, man. So right now, today I just decided to change the video recording, and right now I have been recording the video in 4K 60 FPS. Yes man, I'm going to see how it is going to be, the resolution, how it is going to be. Also the things that I would like you guys to tell is that this video is absolutely going to be raw. Yes, it is going to be fully raw. The reason behind that is, if I'm going to just keep the video in some sort of editing application, then it is going to create a trouble in editing, because I have tried editing the videos, and the thing that happens is it is just lowering down the resolution. It is going to get the resolutions in 1080p only. So what I'm going to keep, I'm not going to add any of the trailer, the beginning of the video, just going to upload the video as it is. Yes, it is basically for the people who just wants to get to know the real footage that comes when they are using this action camera, that is the fitspark Eagle i6, and how its recording is in 4K 60 FPS, guys. Yeah man, 4K 60 FPS. Also the thing I just tried is, I just right now changed the memory card of my camera. The reason why I changed the memory card is that I was first having a 8GB memory card. Every time it was showing that it is low writing speed. So that is the reason I just had to change it. So man, I won't go from here. I have to go slowly. Man, he's an asshole. He was just being asshole. So where river? Yes. So previously I was having an 8GB memory card. It was showing low speed, and now I had just ordered 64GB memory card, class 10. The UHS speed is 1. The thing that happened with me, I just ordered in Flipkart, and what I had ordered was the 64GB memory card, UHS speed 3. I will be showing you what I just ordered on Flipkart, and what happened is I have just got the memory card 64GB, but it is having UHS speed 1. Guys, basically the speed of the memory card matters a lot while you are recording the video in 4K, 2.7K, 5K. The writing speed really matters. also mind some footage would have been a blurry, or say there would be a hissing in the videos. The reason behind that hissing is only the reason is the memory card. There was something that was told by the fitspark service people. Means I just contacted on the contact us option from the fitspark page, and what they just told me is to change the memory card. So I just did it, and this is the first time I am just using this 64 GB memory card, and I'll be seeing how it is going to be the footage. I will be doing no editing as I told earlier, because the reason behind that is only one thing, that it is going to ruin the resolution. Okay guys, it's some showtime. Guys, I just took a turn on 82 speed. I just love doing some cornering. It feels so sexy. Because of the lockdown, this metro work was standstill, but now it has been started. So thank God it has been started, so that we can just get the space on the roads, and there will be the traffic on the roads. Also guys, I will be going to come to know that the EIS will not be working on the 4K option, as you guys would have known, but we will see how stable will be the video quality at the time of recording. So just see that. It's a little bit hard because I just cleaned my motorcycle. I didn't think so. I would have just kept the polish on the tires as it is, because guys, I just love cornering. I'll show you guys how's the condition of the tires after just using it. See, the sides inches are just left, and the main thing is going to be the red area. As you can see, it's about just 1.5 inch on the both sides. I've used the most of the area. As you guys would have known, this is a 70 profile tire and not the 61. So the curvature of the 70 tire is a bit different than the 61. That is basically, if you have a FZS, the profile of the tire is a bit wider, which basically you will get a more surface area on the road, means you will get a better traction. And just rousing up due to wash. I'd also just clean the brake discs. So also just polish that also, because I just think polishing the brakes is going to make the braking a bit good. The reason behind that is that has to be a very, say, very clean, a good surface area between the disc brake and your means the basically your brake pads and your disc. The more the smoother, the more better will be your brakes, the lesser will be your wear and tear, and it is going to wear evenly. I got a call, man. Man. Hello. Akbar Nagar. Ah. I just came to meet the friends. They're just waiting for me. Man, I just hate this. Guys are waiting for me up here. So guys, that's it for the video. If you guys like this video, just hit that like button, and if you are new to this channel, just hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get the daily updates, man, hell, click that bell icon.